warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Umitri Safitri. I'm from class management 24B with number student 2441138. On this occasion, I will discuss that management control system, the organization strategic background. A management control system or MCS coordinate people, information, and process so strategy become day-to-day reality. This take explains what MCS is, what it matters, its core component, and the defining characteristic that make control system effective in complex organization. Okay, let's get to try to it for the capture. Capture 1. What is a management control system? Number 1. Definition. At its core, MCS is the structure, set of process and tool manager used to influence organizational member to implement strategic and achieve objective. Explain technical measurement with behavioral insight to guide action. 2. Discipline. MCS is grounded in applies behavioral knowledge. It acknowledges how incentive, feedback, and organizational process solve decision and performance across unit. 3. Practical purpose. The purpose is not control for control's sake. It's to ensure strategy is translated into consistent action, efficient resource use, and measurable results that support long-term viability. And next, capture 2. This is why MCS matter, preventing decline, driving growth. And number 1, prevent organizational decline. With a reliable control system, companies thrive. Error amplify, inconsistencies emerge, and strategic initiatives fail to materialize. LCS provides early detection of deviation, so management can act before small problems become existential threat. And 2. Accelerate sustainable growth. Good control system enable repeatable process, scalable decision rules, and disciplined resource allocation. All of these are prerequisites for predictable growth and investor confidence. And then 3. Like individual and organizational goals. Goals, Congress is critical. MCS alike incentive, performance metric, and feedback so employees daily cues support strategic priorities rather than personal or local optimization at the organization expense. And then structure T. Core element of a management control system. An effective NCS is composed of interdependent elements that capture reality, evaluate it, and acts to keep the organization on track. And number 1, detector or sensor. Collect objective data and observation, financial resource, operational metric, customer feedback, and environmental signal. Reliable sensing reduces uncertainty and enables timely intervention. 2. Assessor or comparator. Evaluate actual performance against standard, target, or benchmark. This comparison surface variance and diagnosis whether deviation are systematic, temporary, or acceptable. And then, effector or corrective mechanism. Implement change with needed policy updates, research relocation, coaching, incentive, or disciplinary action. The effector close the loop between insight and behavior. And then communication neural. As an information flow between sensor, assessor, and effector upwards reporting, lateral coordination, and downwards guidance, clear channel prevent bottlenecks and misinterpretation. And then key characteristic of an effective MCS. Comprehensive and integrate. MCS cover the full span of critical activities, finance, operation, HR, and strategy, and integrate them so performance, measurement, incentive, and process rather than conflict. And then human-centered orientation. Control all designed around people, they support manager in influencing behavior through clear expectation, feedback, training, and motivation, not just through auditing and sanction. And flexibility and context sensitivity. Effective system adapt model and method depending on context. Crisis response needs different control than steady standard operation. Flexibility prevents rigidity from becoming a liability. Next, behaviorally informed. Design decision account for human cognitive via the social dynamic and incentive. When conducted alike with how people actually behave, compliance and performance improve measurably. And next, MCS as the foundation for organizational success. Number one, from strategy to daily action. A robust MCS breaks high-level strategic and the daily kills employees make. It turns abstract goal into measurable outcome, making accountability precise and actionable. Two, design principle for practitioner. Implement MCS using this grading principle. Number one, clarity of objective. Two, meaningful, timely metric. Three, aligned incentive. Four, transparent communication. And five, interactive learning and improvement. And next step to strengthen your MCS. Conduct a diagnosis to map sensor and information flow, validate assessment, rules and standard. Test a corrective mechanism in slow risk setting. And train manager on behavioral techniques that improve adoption and sustainment. When so fully designed and consistently maintained, management control system do for more than prevent failure. They enable organization to scale, adapt, and sustain competitive advantage. Okay guys, this is explanation from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.